Wow, nature.
Nearly 260 species of birds have been recorded in the Cayman Islands.
50 are resident, meaning that they live here all year round.
Some are unique and endemic to the islands, like this Cayman parrot.
The rest are migratory, meaning that they're only visiting our islands.
The Cayman Islands is en route between North and South America and provides an important resting stop for birds making this journey between August and May every year. Other migratory birds visit our islands to stay for the winter before returning to their breeding sites on the mainland in spring.
All birds need a habitat to survive. A bird's habitat is a safe place that offers shelter to hide from predators, as well as providing food, water, and space to nest.
Different habitats are important to different species. Ducks, like whistling ducks and lesser scaup, and wading birds like snowy egrets and tricolor heron, live in ponds and mangrove forests. They eat small fish and insects that live in this habitat too.
White pelicans are rare but welcome migrants. Here we see them exploring a pond before they head out to sea.
Seabirds depend on a variety of habitats for nesting. Brown boobies fly far out to sea to catch fish and then return to their nests high on the cliffs of Cayman Brac.
These nests are where they lay their eggs and where they care for their young.
Something they've been doing along these cliffs for hundreds or thousands of years.
And these seabirds rely heavily on healthy oceans to survive.
Cayman's dry forest is home to land birds like Zenata doves, bananaquits, and our national bird, the Cayman parrot. Look at these holes in a coconut palm. They were made by a yellow-bellied sapsucker, a winter visitor that probably returns to this exact tree year after year. The holes fill with sap, which attracts insects.
What would happen if it disappeared?
The National Trust counts bird populations in Cayman every year. Birds are important bioindicators, which means that doing this can tell scientists if an ecosystem is healthy or needs protection, which in turn protects the other species that live here too. Many of these habitats are under threat in the Cayman Islands and around the world.
Trees are cut down and wetlands filled in to make way for buildings.
Plastic pollution washes ashore or is just carelessly dumped.
Tall buildings with lots of windows can confuse birds and cause collisions. An invasive species like cats kill birds visiting or resident.
But what can we do to help?
You can advocate, that means support, for the protection of important habitats. Keep your cats inside. Use pictures or decals to break up the reflection on windows and keep birds safe from collisions.
You could arrange a mangrove, beach, or roadside cleanup.
And keep lots of trees in your yard. The Cayman Islands is home to many different species of birds. Some migratory, some resident, and some found nowhere else in the world. They all rely on their habitats to survive. What other things can you think of to help birds in their habitats?